Welcome back. So let's continue from where we stop off. npm starts, npm starts. Let's wait for npm to start. Okay, database connected. We were done with the user authentication. That is the user registration. So what next? We need to connect our router. Go to route, create a folder. I'll call it, create a file. I'll call it auth rat.js. All right. In our auth rat, we'll express, we'll import express, require express, okay. Then we'll need to get our registration. All right. Okay, let's just do something quickly. Let's just quickly, let's go to user auth and include this registration, export, login users, login user. Let's quickly write our login users function. Response, okay. Request response, try, cache, error. All right. Sorry. All right. Before then, we'll get our email from our email password from requests.body. Okay. Get it from body. Then say const user is equals to await user.find1. Right. What are we finding? We'll find the email. Okay. Now let's check if user, and we'll check for the password as well. Await user.match password of our password. That's this password. Means we have reuser. Remember, these are match password is coming from users here. Okay, so it should be the same match password. So once the password is matched and we have the user, we will return our response.json and say okay. Okay, can actually return to 200. Let's quickly copy this. We return 200, and our user ID is going to be user dot underscore ID. Okay, this is what MongoDB will return, underscore ID. Our username to be user dot username. Email will be user dot email. Okay, then our token will be generate token, and that'll be user dot underscore ID. Okay. All right. Once this is done, we can now say s means there's no user found. So response dot status 401 unauthorized JSON message would be invalid email or password. Okay. Error. Okay, let's quickly copy this. Let's quickly copy this. Error would be 500, and here we have error dot message. Okay. So with this, we can come to our routes. I say const. Since we are using both this and this and this, I can quickly say both of them is equals to required, getting them from our controller and our auth controller. Okay. Then const router is equals to express dot router. Okay. Then our route dot post will now be register. This for register, that's register user. Okay. Do same for route dot post, and this for login. Remember to put your forward slash, then login user. And once you're done with that, you say module dot export equals to what? Router. Okay. I think we're done with this. DB, we're done with this. We're done with this for now. We'll come back to our users.js much later. We'll add more functionality to the system. For controller, let's still leave it. Then we'll come here and we'll have our DB here. The next is const auth arrata is equals to require rat and auth rat. Okay, I think let's just call this auth rat. Let's just call this auth rat. Sorry, let's call this auth rat. The reason I don't want to make this auth rat, we might just put all our rats here. So let's just leave it rats and rename this to rats. We might, if we are not using, if we want to put everything here, then we can just change it. Okay, to rats. Okay. So we'll call this rats, not just call this rats, not rata. So let's just call this rats for now. Okay, our port is 3000, is set already. Our express is set. So we can now say app.use here we say API slash auth and rats. Okay. Here we also need to use express.json. Can work with JSON data as well. I think that will be all. That'll be all. Let's just try it and see what we've got. Yeah, clear. npm start. All right. While this one is working, let's open Postman. Okay. Uh, MongoDB. All right. Postman is open. Let's check. Node.js. Okay. Node server is still running. Okay. Mongo is loading. Okay. Connected successfully. All right. So remember what we use here is 0.0.0.0, meaning we can use any IP address, but I'm going to use my local IP address. So to get a local IP address, you quickly come here and say IP config, and this is a local IP address. All right. So that's what I will use. So here I'll quickly say this column 3000 with our port slash API slash auth slash register. Okay. It's going to be a get post post method. Okay. Then here go to body raw. All right. Okay. What do we require in our registration? What we need is username. So the username, make sure you use double quotes here. Username is going to be prof. Okay. The email is going to be mindforchrist@gmail.com. Okay. And the password is going to be 123456. All right. So run it and see. Boom. Successfully logged. We've successfully created an account. And these are token, these are email, and these are user name. Okay. So let's just check our database to see if we have it. Go to browse collections and see if our records will be there. Okay. This user and this user. Bam. Okay. All right. So let's try login. Okay. Okay. We've not created route for login. Of course, okay. Let's check. Yes, we have a route for login. So login. All right. Login, we don't need the username. What we need is just this. Okay, let me just put something else. 7. Okay. Let's see. Boom. User dot. Okay. User dot match is not a function. Boom, boom, boom. That's good. User dot match is not a function. Okay. User dot match is not a function. So let's quickly debug that. Okay. Users.match is not a function. Okay, sorry. Let's this user. Sorry. Okay, user.match is not in function. Let's quickly go back to user. Okay, think of something here. Methods should be methods. Okay, let's restart. All right, let's try again. Bam. Okay, we've got something else here. Tell us invalid password or email. Okay, so now that we've done registration from here, from Postman, and from here, let's quickly run a Flutter project that will consume this API. So what we can do, I'll quickly come here, right click, review folder. Of course, this is backend, CMD, Flutter creates social media app. Okay, okay, Flutter create social media app. All right. Okay, so what we can do is to cd into this folder. We can cd into this folder and it's okay. Open in editor. These are Flutter projects. While this is on, I'll quickly run emulator. What we need, okay, emulator will be up. All right, what we need right now, hook. We can come here and add in packages. We'll need HTTP. We'll need a provider. Okay, we need okay, let me just browse through it. We need a Flutter shared preference. Okay, we need Flutter shared preference. Come here, copy this. Okay, all right, so this is all we need. Create some folders. First folder I'll create is the views. The next folder is models, and the last folder will be controllers. Okay. Our view will quickly come here and say register screen dot. Okay. It's gonna be stateless widget. STL. Come on, stateless widget. Register screen. Alright. Register screen. Okay. Scaffold. And at the top, app bar. We're gonna add app bar. Come on. App bar with title test of register. Okay. And our body. Come on, our body. Sorry. Our body is just going to be what? Column. Children. Test username. All right. Okay. For this project, we will not focus more on design. We're just working on the functionality first. Much later, we can work on design. Okay. So this to register. All right. Within the view, I'll just make auth folder. So quickly push this into the auth folder. All right. So all our authentication will be here. Authentication screens will be here. Login screen. That's that. Stateless widget. Login screen. All right. Will be here. Sorry. Import material. All right. I'll quickly copy everything here. So the truth is this: I don't have a specific design. So just work as we code along. Okay, here will be email. All right. So my emulator is up and running. I'll quickly come here and say social media app. All right. Let's just give it a better name. Uh, fingering. Ah, I love this name. I love this name, fingering. Okay. Throw away this. All right. And the first screen we want to see is login. Login screen. Okay. So let's run our app. So while the app is running, start by creating the login screen. We have email, test, test, test from field. Come on, remove this from here. Test from field, test from field. All right. This for email. This for email. Test, password. Okay. And this for password. Okay. So we'll customize our fields, but then let's just have something running first. Okay. And here we add size bus with a height of, let's say 20. Sorry, let's say 20. Then we have an elevated button. On press for now is going to be nothing. All right. Then a test child that says register. Okay. Oh, sorry, login. All right. And at the end, we have another test here that says already have an account with us. All right. I think we can just put this in a row. And just put in another test here. Say, okay, sorry, don't have an account with us. Don't have an account with us. You register. All right. So if you don't have an account with us, you register, or you can simply say create an account. Okay. So let's just, okay. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, while it's loading, we can actually work on our test form field. Okay, yeah, we can actually work on our test form field by going to decoration, input, box decoration. Okay, we can say field should be true because we want to give it a color. Field color, let's take color that's gray. Gray 200 will be okay. All right. Hint, hint, hint test will be enter your email. Okay. Actually customize the hint test by adding hint style and so on and so forth, but we're not going to that. Content padding, going to be edge is set symmetric. You just want to pad up and down, which is vertical 15. Okay, sorry. The next is to add a very beautiful border at outline input border. Okay, with the border radius circular of, let's say, 20 to 0. Can adjust this, and border side dot node. Okay, let's see what we have here. Once we've done, okay, you can just copy this as well, paste here. It's not a good practice. I think the best is to, okay, here we can say obscure is equal to true. Okay, I think there's still more. Obscure character, you can as well set it to, let's say, star. Okay, star, enter password here. All right, so I don't know why it's taking time to load. I'll just pause, and once it's done, okay, let's just stop it and we'll come back, we'll continue.
Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the notification bell icon. Thank you.